Hi everyone. I'm having problems with the pointer finger. I am having issues with some of the the boards from the servos. Having problems with the motors, but I got to the finger to say at least no, and I got the pointer sequence to play for a second. So I'm going to show you what I got so far for today. So as you can see, it's almost the same size. It's the same size as mine. I'm using my hand as the blueprint for this thing. So going so far, so good. I think I'm going to take the entire finger apart and redesign some files and come up with a few little changes. That's why I'm not sharing files yet, because this is a job in progress. I don't know what works, what doesn't work, and even when I get it to work, sometimes they fail, so I have to redesign them. But so far, it's working out good. I mean, I can try to push the progress. I mean, I finished the thumb last week, and it's only been 3 or 4 days for me to come up with the designs for the pointer. So sometimes I have to remind myself that it's not a race. Just get it going, get it, change it. There's plenty of space in this compartment for me to put more electronics. The electronics will be the touch sensors, the pressure sensors, the temperature sensors, and everything else that's supposed to go in there. Remember to join my Facebook page. Also my YouTube channel. I only need 6 more for 100, and that means that I can change that awful URL to the name of the project, DARA Project. And also remember, the files, some of the files are in Thingiverse, except for the hand. Basically there's only the pointer file so far. I am still making changes, so bear with me. Have a good one, and talk to you next week.